How to translate messenger messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to translate messenger messages. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can simply open the chat where you have messaged or the other person have messaged you in the foreign language. And now here, once you are inside the chat, then what you can do is simply hold on that particular message that you want to translate. And now here, you can just tap and hold on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on more option, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on it, or you can even copy it directly by tapping on copy. And here, once you have copied the text, then what you can do is simply go back to the main messenger page, and from here you can simply tap on this Meta AI icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here in this Meta AI chat section, you can simply paste that language and simply tell it a prompt to translate this language to English. Now here, once you do that, it will translate the language for you. And that's it. That's how you can translate messenger messages. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.